Rotary Club of Polo City Imphal organised a blood donation camp today at Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit Jennings, Porombar. Standard Robert Higher Secondary School Kanchipur Union staged a sit-in protest in front of the school gate demanding justice for baby Sana. 1,098 non-tribal from northern part of Mizoram without valid inner line permit was arrested on Friday, a report says. 3 persons were arrested by a team of Bishnupur police and commando over illegal electrofishing in watercourse of Loktak Lake late last night. This came after Tom TV aired a report on finding of dead fish floating on the surface of Loktak Lake every morning for the past 2 months. 11 persons are reportedly tested positive for Japanese encephalitis in Thoubal district. Preventive measures have been jointly taken up by the Thoubal Chief Medical Officer, District Malaria Officer, Integrated Disease Surveillance Unit, National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program and local clubs to control the situation. Students of Johnson Higher Secondary School shut the school today in protest against the shortage and transfer of teachers. KF and PD Minister Karam Shyam is flagging off cyclist G. Ingo B. Chingtham for a 7-nation cycle tour from Kangla today. The cyclist will visit Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam and Singapore. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today chaired an emergency meeting of the State Cabinet at the CM Secretariat, Imphal. Unlike the recent cabinet meetings, all ministers attended today's cabinet meeting. Some ministers have skipped cabinet meetings because of internal feud with the BJP-led coalition government headed by N. Biren. The Dolai Thabi Barrage project remains inoperable and unattended since its inauguration. A team of Khundrapam Kendra Development Committee inspected the project. Committee spokesperson N. Dijain accused the government of neglecting the project. 2 trucks reportedly skidded off the road and fell into a river after a major landslide occurred at Sibilong along Imphal-Jiribam Highway today. Due to the landslide, traffic on the National Highway 37 has remained blocked. Manipur Mixed Martial Arts Association Khurai Puthiba Laikai Imphal is inviting intending players to participate in the National Sub-Junior, Junior and Senior Martial Arts Championship 2019 to be held from September 2 till September 4 at Deshbhakta Tarun Ram Phukan Indoor Stadium, Guwahati. In a tragic incident, an official of the State Fire and Emergency Service was killed after being hit by a bus today at Botejpur in South Kamrup. The deceased official has been identified as Sajjad Ali. He was posted at Golpara district of Assam. Sajjad, along with a pillion rider, Teher Ali, was coming towards Guwahati when his bike collided with the bus. After receiving serious security alerts by intelligence, Amarnath Yatra pilgrims and tourists have been advised by the Jammu and Kashmir government to leave the Kashmir Valley immediately and go back. This was announced by Kashmir government keeping in view of the latest intelligence inputs of terror threats and specific targeting of the Amarnath Yatra and prevailing securities in the Kashmir Valley. The Northeastern Hill University Students' Union have decided to discuss the need to change the academic calendar of NEHU. It decided to ensure that there is no delay in the declaration of results of various examinations conducted by the university. The NEHUSU took the decision on Friday after the NEHU authority delayed the declaration of results of exam conducted for 6th semester of various colleges in the state. The union also announced its decision to put off its indefinite strike in view of the declaration of the 6th semester results by NEHU.